Hey everyone, before this video gets started, if you want to earn more money driving for an Uber, Lyft, or food delivery driver, there's this new app called Gridwise. Gridwise is 100% free if you use the link in the description. This app is used daily. It supports drivers who drive for Uber, Lyft, Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, and more. The app tracks your mileage so you can save thousands on taxes. Plus, it shows you the best times and spots to drive. This actually helps you make a lot more money as a gig worker. It's a must-have and no-brainer for any gig worker, and you can use this app every single day that you drive. It takes 60 seconds to download and set up the app to where you can earn more money. Use the link at the top of the description. Now, let's get started with this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal. Some of you may know me. I am a freelance makeup artist and I drive for Uber part-time. As you know, we're all facing this really crazy time in our lives right now. And so today we will be talking about some reasons why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied for unemployment. Before I get into this video though, please hit the subscribe button down below. That would help us out so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing me on this channel, please hit the like button and I would appreciate it. Now let's get into it. These are some of the main reasons why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied for unemployment. Number one is pretty obvious. Some states are not set up for self-employed individuals just yet. So I am in California. Right now, the website is set up for people who had employers, like actual legitimate employer. Since we Uber drivers are technically private contractors and we're self-employed, Uber is not our employer. Technically, Uber just contracts us to drive for them, but they are not considered our employer at this time. Maybe a few weeks down the road, we will be set up with a new system. I know they're kind of lagging it. In California, we're already a month in for the stay-at-home order. So, I mean, they had 4 weeks to figure something out. They haven't just yet. Hopefully they do. I know I personally tried to file for unemployment using the system that they already have set up, and I have not heard anything back. I tried to log into my account and my password isn't working. I tried to retrieve my password and the answers to the questions that I had submitted are also not working, so we'll see what happens. But as of right now, I also am not receiving unemployment. I only have heard of one other person that is receiving unemployment who is a driver. However, I don't know that person's work history for last year. So if she did have a different employer last year other than just driving for Uber, then that may be why she's getting unemployment, but who knows? And I don't know her personally, so I can't go find her and ask her all these questions. So I will do some investigating though, and I will try to find her again and I'll report back. So number two, filling out the application wrong or missing information, stuff like that. So like I said, when I try to apply for unemployment, my state is not set up yet for self-employed individuals, so I kind of just filled out the application based on what I thought I was supposed to do. Have not heard anything back, no emails, nothing like that, and now I can't log into my account, so I'm gonna have to keep on trying to do that. Number three, another reason why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied. You don't qualify, your earnings didn't go down. So some drivers out there are still continuing to drive. So they could be possibly making that $1,000 a week or at least the $800 a week, you know, something like that. So if you continued to drive for Uber and Lyft, then obviously your earnings are not going down very much. And that may be why you're getting denied for unemployment. So there you go. There are the reasons I have for you why Uber and Lyft drivers are getting denied for unemployment. Leave some comments down below. Let us know your experience with applying for unemployment, and be sure to hit this like button if you want to see me more on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd appreciate it. We appreciate you. Good luck out there. And once again, I'm Crystal and you are watching the Rideshare Hub. See you guys later.